Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have these quit smoking patches. These are great. This one here is step one, and it comes with 30 patches. So this is going to give you a lot of patches. It'll give you a month's worth if you use them one a day. And the way these work is you get this little patch here. It comes in, each one's individually packed. I'll just kind of open it up here to show you guys what we're talking about. And here it is. It comes on a little piece of like plastic, and you would just peel it off, and it looks kind of like a Band-Aid or something. It's kind of flesh colored, whatever. And oh, actually it's clear, so I'm going to show you guys the back of it. Just looks like that. There really is no extra anything to it. So you peel it off, peel it on, put it on your skin wherever you want, and you'll see it kind of just matches skin color kind of wherever. You can put it back hidden. I think a lot of people put them on their shoulders. I think that's a big popular place for them, but you can put them wherever, on your leg, someplace like that. And this should hopefully give you your nicotine fix, so you won't be jonesing for a cigarette. So that's kind of the whole idea of these here. This is pretty good. I know some people who've used these patches and they've worked extremely well. I know people still on the patches. They've stopped smoking, but hey, it's sure better than smoking. Way cheaper too. So this is great. Thumbs up for sure.